How to create a module in Zoho CRM. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a little gear icon. This is the Settings button. Click on that to open up the Settings menu. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for an option called Modules and Fields under the section labeled Customization. Click on it. Now, you'll see a button that says New Module. Go ahead and click on that. At the top left of this form, you'll see a field where you can enter the name of your module. Click on that and type in the plural form of what you want to call your module. Just below that, there's another field where you need to type the singular form of your module name. Then click on Done. You can customize your module by adding fields that are relevant to what you're tracking. Before you finalize everything, it's a good idea to see how your module will look. Click on the Preview button to get a sneak peek at your module and make sure everything looks right. If you're happy with how everything looks, click the Save button. After saving, Zoho CRM will ask you to select which profiles or users should have access to this module. Choose the relevant profiles and then click Save again. Thanks for following along. Now you're all set with your new module in Zoho CRM. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. See you in the next video.